In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Yahoo Mail account. By the end, you'll have a brand new inbox ready to send and receive emails in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail sign-up page at login.yahoo.com account create. This is the official page for creating a new account. On that page, click Sign Up to begin. You'll see a form where you'll start creating your new account. Begin by entering your first name and last name. Next, choose a new email address. Pick something unique and professional if you're planning to use it for work or school. If the address you want isn't available, try adding a middle initial or a simple number that you'll remember. Create a strong password you haven't used elsewhere. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Avoid common words and personal details. Make sure it's something you can remember, or consider using a trusted password manager. Now, add a few additional details. Enter your mobile phone number, which Yahoo uses to verify your identity and help you recover your account if you ever get locked out. Make sure the number is active and can receive text messages. Enter your birth date as requested. This helps confirm eligibility. Gender is optional, so you can choose to provide it or leave it blank. When everything looks good, click Continue to submit the registration form. If you see any prompts about an unavailable email address or a weak password, just adjust those fields and click Continue again. Next, verify your phone number. Yahoo will send a verification code by SMS. When the text arrives, enter the code exactly as shown. If you don't receive it right away, wait a moment or check your signal before requesting a new code. Once the code is accepted, click Verify or continue to finish creating your account. You'll be taken to your new Yahoo Mail inbox. Take a quick look around so you know where things are. The Compose button lets you start a new email, and your inbox shows new messages as they arrive. From here, you can immediately start sending and receiving emails. And that's it. Your Yahoo Mail account is created and ready to use. Keep your password secure, keep your phone number up to date for account recovery, and you'll be set for a smooth email experience.